In the previous lesson, we learnt how to fix acne and blemishes. Now we'll smooth the skin with the Clean Skin 2 feature. Head over Clean Skin 2 button and press it. Once done, use the brush tool to paint on the mask to reveal the smooth skin. Adjust the opacity to control how strong the effect is. This could be a classic wedding photo, and each shooting should have its own style. Control the brush pressure to reveal the desired strength of the final smoothing. Change the size of the brush when needed so you can reveal the smaller areas. Once done, you can bring back some skin texture. Just press the Skin Texture button feature and reveal, as before, the effect on this skin. Remember to control the strength of the effect, adjusting the opacity of the brush or of the layer itself. And this is the before and the after. As you can see, we worked using a professional sequence of retouching, and the result is impressive. Try by yourself, focus on the details, and as a result, you will have amazing portraits while keeping the control over your workflow.